The truth behind Iran versus Israel. Iran and Israel were once friends. Years before 1979, they had normal relations. But everything changed after the Islamic Revolution in Iran. New government came to power and declared Israel an enemy. Why? Ideology and religion. The new leaders in Iran saw Israel as an illegal state and started backing Palestine. Both nations want influence in the Middle East and they see each other as the biggest threat. Proxy war began. Iran supports groups like Hezbollah and Hamas, while Israel fights them head on. Nuclear fear. Israel is worried that Iran might develop nuclear weapons and has been determined to prevent that at all costs. This conflict is not just about religion, it's about power, influence, and survival. Today, that rivalry has become one of the most dangerous conflicts in the world. It's a reminder that friends can easily turn into enemies when power, beliefs, and interests shift. Be careful in world politics and even in life. Friendships can change, but people's interests usually stay the same. Follow more powerful global updates. Thank you. Latest development. An oil tanker is burning in the Strait. An oil tanker is burning in the Strait of Hormuz right now. This is not a storm. It is a blasting by IRGC patrol boat. The crew has abandoned ship and the cargo is on fire. Iran has just sent a chilling message to the world. Try to cross without our permission and this is what happens to you. This is a demonstration of power, not just a threat. The world that existed before this IRGC strike is already gone. The vessel was not acting recklessly, it was a calculated transit attempt based on available risk window. However, Iran has decided that international maritime law is subordinate to their authority over the Strait of Hormuz. The IRGC issued radio orders followed by warning shots across the bow. When the tanker maintained the course, the IRGC moved to direct engagement, striking the engine room and causing the fire. This is the fourth dimension of escalation in this conflict. Declaring closure of the Strait of Hormuz, intercepting and turning back vessels, firing warning shots, actual kinetic strikes that damage vessels and endanger crews. Iran has climbed to the final rung before full naval war. Now let us talk about market and economic impact. The fiction of resolution is destroyed. Lloyd's of London war risk markets will surge, immediately making commercial transit economically impossible for many. Insurance costs may equal or exceed the value. Of course, insurance costs may equal or exceed the value of the voyage. Automated trading algorithms are reacting in real time, pushing oil prices above $110. What happens next depends on decisions being made in Washington, Tehran and Islamabad. The US faces hard choices: immediate military response, a naval protection declaration, or an ultimatum. Meanwhile, Pakistan's mediation team is in emergency mode to prevent uncontrolled escalation. Beyond geopolitics, the seafarers are the victim. These are not soldiers but workers from the Philippines, India, and Indonesia. Union representatives will likely argue that Gulf of transit is now unreasonably dangerous, adding immense pressure to the labor market. The IRGC pulled the trigger and the world heard it. The next 72 hours will determine if we face a negotiated peace or a catastrophic maritime escalation. Iran has demonstrated its final credible deterrent. Thank you. Subscribe now for the new updates on geopolitics and current ongoing Middle East war. Thank you.